Undo covers the mistake you spot straight away. This is the other one. Monday. Somebody counts aisle 3 and puts dark roast at 44. It is wrong. They missed a case in the back. But nobody notices. Nothing on the screen says the number is wrong because nothing knows. It is just a number somebody typed. Now it goes to stock. 4 units that do not exist are about to disappear. And before it does, a restore point is written. Remember that. Applied. 2 seconds of work, and the wrong number is now the truth. 44 in stock, live to customers. Nobody is going to catch this by looking at the shop. Tuesday. A different aisle, a different person, and this count is right. Earl Grey really is 57. This is where undo stops helping. Undo only reaches the last apply, and you do not want the last one. You want Monday back and Tuesday kept. So apply Tuesday as well. 2 applies stacked on top of each other. Done. Now open restore points. Every apply this store has made newest first with how many products each one touched. Take Mondays, not the newest. Restore puts those products back to what they were before that apply. Dark roast is 48 again. Monday's mistake is gone. And Earl Grey is still 57. Tuesday's good count survived it. Restore point history is pro. Stocktake for WooCommerce itself is free on WordPress.org.